Lego City.
Dear O residents of Lego City. Orbeez have just attacked our city, causing extremely serious consequences.
Look, my car is stuck.
The bridge is broken.
How to clean up Orbeez?
How?
We are testing the two models. The selected vehicle will handle that.
I don't know which car will win.
Worth the wait.
Let's wait and see which car will win.
Centipede car. Test the vehicle's shock absorption. How to build the centipede car. Step 1. Build the wheel system. Step 2. Complete assembly. Lunar roving vehicle. Test the vehicle's shock absorption. How to build the lunar roving vehicle. Step 1. Build the wheel system. Step 2. Complete assembly.
Let's start.
Stop.
Wow, you're doing a great job. Come here. Good job.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Dear residents, our city has returned to normal.
How to get from point A to point B.
Go in by plane.
But if you don't have a plane,
Please build me a bridge.
this is the correct answer, a bridge.
Aha! We build a bridge to go from A to B, but how to build the folding bridge? Step 1. Build the bridge deck. Step 2. Build the approach slab. Step 3. Pave the bridge deck. Step 4. Build the engine. How does it work?
Okay, now you can go across the bridge now.
Let's go. Yeah, woo! We did it.
Do you believe us?
How about this? How to go from C to D?
Give me 5 minutes.
Haven't thought of it yet, right?
I got a new idea. We can build the twins bridge.
How to build the twins bridge? How does it work?
Hey, you lose. We win.
I have a more difficult problem. You will definitely lose. How to go from E to F?
By cable car.
How to build the cable car bridge? Step 1. Build the column. Step 2. Build the railway frame. Step 3. Build the cabin. Step 4. Build the engine.
I'm moving.
Okay, I lose.
I'm hungry.
Wait, will it be my turn?
I've been waiting for an hour. Me too.
Finally, it's my turn.
Quickly, we're in a hurry.
Is my sushi ready?
Too slow. I can't wait more.
I'm hungry. Sorry, your sushi is
Hey,
here.
I came first.
Wait, come here. Too tired. Hey. Ferris wheel. Step 1. Build the rim Ferris wheel. Step 2. Build double stand support. Step 3. Build the motors. Step 4. Connect the rim to double stand support. Step 5. Build the tray. How does Ferris wheel work?
One sushi, please.
Okay, come here.
Good service.
Fantastic.
Great. Served very quickly.
I will continue to support the restaurant.
My honor.
I'm full.
Spider? Oh my god, there are spiders in sushi.
Oh no, what's wrong?
Follow me!
Hurry up, they're about to catch up with us.
Stop or I'll shoot you. Chasing them.
Let's speed up, guys.
Oh no, how can we keep moving?
I don't want to be arrested again.
Let's see.
Level 1, Lego Rainbow Stairs.
Let me take the lead.
1 sprocket car.
Come on, bro.
Follow me!
2 Shock Strider car.
Congratulations!
Oh no, it's my turn.
3 Chain car.
Okay, let's go.
Bet $100 and I'll land safely.
4 8 wheels car.
Ending with my perfect landing.
5 sport car.
Congratulations!
Oh no, that's terrible.
Haha, just 10% slopes. So easy.
Level 2, glass bridge.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Shut up. Let's see if you still dare to escape from prison. Driving Lego cars on sand. Will all the cars can overcome this formidable challenge? Watch the entire video to discover the surprise. Now, let's get started.
Are you ready?
Number 1, rolling car.
Can't move.
Number 2, sail car.
Come on.
Number 3, unwheel car.
Good job.
Number 4, race car.
Impossible.
Number 5, climbing car. Congratulations. Number 6, transporting car.
Fighting!
Number 7, big wheeled car.
Easy game.
Number 8, basic car.
Come on. Come on.
Number 9, tall wheeled car.
Bad car.
Number 10, normal car.
Great.
The race just finished. 5 cars did not pass the challenge, including cars that were predicted to reach the top 1. And here is the top 5 best performance cars. Congratulations! Do you have a Lego cars? What kind of content you'd like us to test in the next video? Let vote in the comments below.